Hey y'all, and thanks for joining me for another Watch Cheryl Scrap. Today I'm going to be scrapping some photos of a purse organizer. Yes, a purse organizer. It's the happy, small, little tiny things that make me happy in life. And I'm going to be combining those photos with a kit called Inside Your Purse by Studio Basic and little butterfly wings and one of my template sets, and it's called Sweet Comfort Dressed Up, and I'll have the links to those products in the description box below. So right now you see me placing the photos. Three of the photos are mine. The fourth one is a stock photo from Amazon where the product was actually purchased. So I love to organize in my house. I've always had a very neat and tidy purse, and so when I found this purse organizer, I had to have it, and it was, fairly inexpensive, under $10. So I wanted it. I wanted it. So I do my journaling off camera, but I'll go ahead and just let y'all have a read while you see me, because right now I'm going to spend quite a bit of time. This template is very layered, so there are lots of embellishments, and so you'll just see me placing a variety of those around the page. The journaling says, for my birthday in 2016, I requested a ton of organizing items. One of my favorites that I received was this purse organizer. It wasn't expensive, less than $10, but it made my organizing heart so happy. What I love more than anything is that everything that I love having in my purse fits compactly into this little organizer, and it makes changing my handbag out so simple. I grab the handles and pull, and it's out of one purse and into another. It has loads of hidden pockets for tucking things away, but also has an equal number of mesh pockets that make it easy to see the contents of the organizer. It's soft-sided, so it fits in many bags, and it definitely expands when you have to put more in your purse. Definitely an all-time favorite gift. So you can see that I have placed a lot of elements while I was talking there, and one of my favorites is this girl that I have added on. There were two, there's a stamp version and a sticker version. She does not end up making it onto the final thing. There's a stamp of a woman that actually goes down at the bottom where it says inside my purse. That gets moved over a little bit, and then there'll be like a drawing of a woman down at the bottom, along with some other things. But so right now I'm just continuing to add some foliage. And I love this little pom-pom little piece of trim that I tuck underneath there. It is so cute. And a little tag with some lace on it. Okay, here you see me switching out. And I think I've said it before when I've done layouts with my own templates that, there was an arrow there, but I chose to put a key there, and now I'm adding some different stamps. And you saw that stamp had some word art along the bottom of it, and so I just used a shortcut key, Control G. I think it's Shift Control G in PSCC. You can change that if you want to for your custom keyboard shortcuts, but I think in PSC it's Control G and then Control E, and that's what it makes look like that stamp is just on that one top piece of paper. And I've added some messy thread. I love to watch Missy Whidden. She's a paper scrapper, and she adds a lot of thread to her layouts, and she's so right that just tends to add a little pop of something, a little color or a separate effect. So it was nice to have that little bit of black thread that I could tuck underneath there. It just it just added a little something extra that I needed. And so you can see here I've just been adding my papers in, trying to decide what to do, and I think I do add an additional, yeah, I add an additional red paper in between, yeah, the background paper and then the second layered paper, and I can't remember if I do that off camera or not, but yeah, it does, it just brings out those pops of red that are in the layout. Anyway, I really appreciate you popping over here to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And of course, give me a like and share the channel with your friends. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.